So very good evening, very good morning, very good afternoon, wherever you are. So the good news from KUCCPS, yesterday they released the placements, the first shift, and this usually comes so that to allow the room for revision of courses. For instance, if you failed to secure a chance in the first revision, so you'll be now allowed or you'll be given another chance. I'm going to open this KUCCPS portal. I'm going to search for KUCCPS. Then you will see these options. We have option 1, option 2. All can work, but I'm going to click on this first link here. So this is your landing page. You can see this is the dashboard for KUCCPS. You will have to insert your KCSE index number, the year, and also the password. So the password is usually your birth certificate number or entry number, or you can as well use your KCPE index number. So when you log in, for example, let's take for this first instance here, this is a student who scored, applied for nursing, and he has not secured any chance in the university of the choice he chose. So you can see this student ed B plus tried to apply for nursing, and you can see he has been referred to apply for the second revision. So this second student applied for surgery. He has secured a chance. So this is the message you will be seeing in your dashboard. If you've secured a chance, you have secured provisional placement to a degree program course, and the university details will follow, and that is on July 2026. So you can see your current placement, not yet. So this student applied for medicine and surgery as the first option, and others blah blah blah, and you can see he has secured a chance. Then I had showed you the second instant, the first instant where the student did not secure any chance. So I'm going to log into another account here, and you'll see this one. So this learner applied for, when we see the application history, we can see that he had applied for Bachelor of Science in Nursing in various institutions. Started with Moi, UAE, Kiba B, I don't know this AU, Kaye Hariu. Then I think the rest there. Now you can see the overview. This student never secured any chance. So what should we do right now? The co-ed now is to proceed and reapply for the courses. So it is unfortunate that during second revision most of the courses have been closed, and the programs, very good programs, have been closed. So you will click on all programs to see what is available for you. For example, when we see this is for degree programs, this for diploma programs, certificate, and also the artisan level 4 programs. So I'm going to degree programs, and I'm going again to add to see on medicine, nursing, that is cluster 13. So let me see if we still have these courses, for example nursing, already in the portal, or they have been occupied completely. So you can see here we have only 2 pages, and previously we had more than 10 pages. So meaning many courses have been wiped, they have been closed. Anyone applying for second revision now will choose on these available courses, maybe if he or she still wants to pursue a course in health science. So we can see nursing, anthropology, public health, community health, environmental health. I can proceed to the next page. Is here epidemiology, health informatics, public health, etc. So you can see medicine already gone, surgery gone. Yes, we have laboratory science, laboratory science, And the minimum qualifications, we have C++, C++, C++ for every, that's biology, chemistry, maths, or physics. And we only have 2 universities offering this, and you can see these 2 universities are also private. So we all know that private institution does not provide scholarship for the learner, rather they will just add you or help as bonus, so you'll be getting more help. Help is always a liability. As long as you will be using, you will be required to pay such amount in future. Now we can see cluster 17, education and related. Education and related is here. So you can see Bachelor of Education Arts. So remember, many institutions will be wiped out. It will already be closed. So you can see here we only have private institutions. These are only private institutions, and it is very unfortunate for those who are applying. But the good news is that when you are also placed in a private institution, you can still apply for transfer. They will open a transfer window, private institution, but you can do rather choose this institution to secure the course, then you can do transfer. So this is education science. You can see minimum grades, subject 1 you need math, bio, physics, chem, and we only have Garissa as our public university. Well, it is so unfortunate. This is so disgusting. So because there will be no option for you, you'll just go with this private institution, then pray to be placed on one of the schools where you take that particular course, that is education science, and you can try your best or to apply for transfer. I'm sure you will be allowed or you will be accepted. And this is not it is not guaranteed that you will be accepted, because it depends with the enrollment in that particular institution where you are applying for. Maybe it has got enough learners, so maybe they will lock you out, or sometimes also the releasing institution, maybe due to 1 or 3 reasons, maybe they will not allow you, or maybe you don't meet the cutoff points for that particular institution where you are applying. So what I can advise you, please try, pray, and all shall be well. That is the recent update on KUCCPS. They will be releasing another update soon, where some learners will be placed and others will be sent to apply again for the 3rd time, that is 3rd revision. That is it for today, and I will be posting more updates on this. Make sure to follow and like, also share this video. So please make sure to like the video, share, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.